Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today for day number 17. I am ready to open it up and see what we have in the bag. I hope you are too. Let's jump on down to the table and take a look. The 17 is kind of chunky, huh? I wonder what we have. Oh, wow. We have an embossing powder, and this embossing powder is exclusively made just for you. It says exclusive color, so we will not have this available to anyone else. So only those of you with the Advent calendar. This is called Party Blue, and it's a beautiful blue with a coordinating sparkling glitter inside. I just know you're going to have fun embossing some things with that. I can't wait to use it. So fun. And it's a full size jar too. How fun is that? So thanks for joining me for day 17. We got a fun Party Blue embossing powder. I hope you can't wait to use it. And I hope also that you will join me tomorrow for day 18. Have a good evening. Good night.